What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I want to talk about the Webull platform and their July promotion. So I just made a video the other night about M1 Finance and how they doubled their referral bonus for the month of July. And it does seem like with these zero commission brokers, anytime one of them increases their referral bonus payout, that the other one also goes up. I think that M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Webull are all in very fierce competition with each other. And of course, like I've always mentioned in all my videos, the best way to play that is to try to get involved with all of them, okay? So, of course, I use Robinhood mostly to trade options. I use Webull mostly to short stocks, and I use M1 Finance for long-term investing. Now, on this channel, this background I have right behind me, and of course this software, which I use in a lot of my videos, this is actually the Webull app for the MacBook. So as far as research goes, I like Webull the best. I think Robinhood is the weakest when it comes to research, and M1 Finance is just a small step above them. Webull by far has the best research tools out there, you know, when it comes to the zero commission brokers. So in today's video, I'm just going to talk briefly about their July free stock promotion. And guys, do me a favor, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all the support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Alright guys, so this is the July promotion for Webull Brokerage. Of course, this is zero commission trading, and as always, they always give out a free stock anytime you sign up for a brokerage account. I will have my link pinned down in the comment section. Feel free to use my link, but there has been a change in July. So this reads, Happy Independence Day. July has arrived. That means you can again invite a friend to make their first $100 deposit in order to receive a free stock and a $10 Amazon gift card. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to read these two short paragraphs. Then we're going to go back and I'm going to show you the stocks that I get most of the time for free stocks, okay? As a thank you for joining the Webull Brokerage, every time one of your referrals makes their initial deposit, both you and that referral will get a free share of stock valued between $8,000 and $1,000, and then boost your portfolio with a possible share of Ford, Apple, or even Google. Number two, that's not all. If you can bring in one of your new funded brokerage accounts, like I said, fund your account up to $100, you will receive a $10 Amazon gift card. Now let's go back, and I'm going to show you the stocks that I get the most. And then so like I said, guys, these are the four stocks I've been getting put in my brokerage the most. So Teva Pharmaceuticals, this is actually a Warren Buffett picked company. Guys, he was buying shares of Teva back when it was up over $20. Now it's trading around $9.37. I think there's a lot of speculation around the turnaround of Teva Pharmaceuticals. If you guys would like for me to do a video on them sometime, make sure to drop that down in the comment section and I will work on it. Then of course, Zynga. Zynga's another good company. They are one of the leaders in cloud computing, and as a matter of fact, I have several cloud computing ETFs, and they're usually one of the biggest holdings in those. Snapchat and Wendy's, okay? I was getting free shares of Snapchat back in December when it was trading around $4 and $5. Of course, I have sold about half of my holdings when I got to 100% gain, but if I would have held even longer, guys, those shares I was getting back in December would have roughly a 200% gain right now. So I just wanted to use this as an example. Webull does give out good stocks. Generally speaking, Robinhood is not going to give you good stocks. Good free stocks anyways. It's kind of rare that they do. Most of the time you're getting junk. You might get a share of GE or something like Fitbit or Cloudera or Groupon or something like that, but Webull does try to give you pretty good stocks, okay? And then of course Wendy's, you know, I've done a few videos about Wendy's, and I'm also an investor in the company. This is one of the best performing restaurant stocks over the past 5 years, guys, and I feel like they have a lot of room left to run. The company also pays a very, very nice dividend. This is what the last 5 years have looked like for Wendy's, a 129.71% return, which is absolutely outstanding. And then they also currently pay a little over 2% dividend. So there will be some level of return. I got 2 shares of Wendy's earlier in this month, and I don't plan to sell them anytime soon. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you're not signed up for a Webull account and you want one, I will have my link pinned down in the comment section of this video. feel free to use it. Like I said, fund your account up to $100 and you will get 2 shares of stock plus a free $10 Amazon gift card. That promotion runs through the month of July. So just wanted to bring that to everyone's attention. I hope you found some value and get some value out of this video. Thank you as always for watching, and have an awesome day.